So bring your feet a little bit closer, so about 2 feet wide. Right foot out, left foot hand well in. Bring your left foot again a little bit towards the front, long edge of the mat. Hands on the hips, square the hip. Okay, now bring your arms behind you. Okay, hands in prayer, or catch your elbows into each hand. Inhale, lift your chest, look. Exhale, go down. Relax the head, hip square, and stay. Okay, hip is square. Okay, if you cannot bring your hands in prayer, then catch your elbows or catch the wrists. Okay, you can keep looking at the front foot, or you can relax the head. Okay, come up. And release. Change the size. Okay, so 2 feet. Left foot out. Right foot hand well in. So bring your right foot just a little bit towards the front long edge of the mat. Okay, hands on the hips, square the hip. Okay, bring your arms behind you either in prayer or catch your elbows or wrists or somewhere in between. Inhale, long spine, elbows back. Press the little fingers against the spine if you're in prayer. Then go down. So keep pushing your front foot, left foot into the floor. Keep squaring the hip, left hip back. Elbows back. Breathe. Okay, as you inhale, come up. And release. Okay, feet parallel to each other. Okay, they are 3 feet wide. Okay, now let's do windmill. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands on the hips. Inhale, lift your head and chest. Knees bent, go down. Okay, drop the hand. Okay, drop the arms, drop the head. Put your left hand, put your right hand on the floor, maybe just the fingers on the floor. Okay, and this position is under your face. Okay, if you were to draw a line between the 2 feet, it's about the foot from that line. Then lift your left arm up. Look at the hand. Strong feet. So press the 3 corners of the feet. Keep looking at the hand in there. Okay, slowly untwist. Hands on the hips, knees bent, and come up. And release. Okay, change sides. Inhale, arms. Exhale, hands on the hips. Inhale, lift your head, lift your chest. Knees bent, go down. Drop the head. Drop the arms. Okay, put your left hand under your face, maybe under your left hand under your face. So it's about 1 foot from the line between the 2 feet. Then lift your right arm up. So make your spine long. Okay, then look to the hand in the air. Press the feet, strong legs. Make your spine long. And as you exhale, slowly bring the arm down. Hands on the hips. Knees bent, come up. And release. Okay, bring the feet together. Step or jump. Okay, pull up the knees and the thighs, shoulders down. In from the nose, out